Hello guys, my name is Pravi Adon and welcome to our channel. So today I can show you the one website where we can create high quality backlink. So the website name is hitrecord.org. Basically this is the org backlink. If you guys can create your backlink on the org website, so it's can going to impact your website to build a high quality authority of your website. So that's why you guys have to create your backlink on the org submission website. Okay, and this website having mostly traffic from USA. So if your businesses are, if you want to drive audience or the crawlability from USA, so you guys have to create your backlink on that website. Okay, so before they started, I wanted to request you with a one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. Okay, so I can show you this website having mostly traffic. This website having a total traffic 87.1K and the mostly traffic from USA, Netherlands, Vietnam, UK, and the Spain. And if you can going to track how much spam score this website having, so you guys can see there is no any spam score. The domain authority is 67 and the domain rating is 72 according to Acharya. Okay, so we have completed our research process. So you guys can see this is a website interface, and I can also provide this website URL over the description section. So you guys can see there is a sign up button. You guys have to click over there and you guys can choose your preferable login details. So we can going to choose get started. So there is a sign in button. If you want sign up with email, so you guys have to choose your sign up with email. Then you guys have to add your email address. Then you guys can choose your password. Then you guys can add your date of birth. So 0507. Then you guys have to acknowledge the terms and condition. If you want to accept, if you want a newsletter, then you guys have to check this box, otherwise you guys can ignore. So then you guys have to verify the captcha. Then you guys can click to continue. Okay, then you guys can choose your username. And then after that you guys have to click arrow button, and you guys can see this website can send you a verification email. So you guys have to check your email ID. So we received a verification email, so you guys have to verify your profile. So then after that you guys have to update your brand image. We can upload once. Yeah, then after that you guys have to click for the next button, and you guys can choose your continue. Then you guys have to wait a couple of seconds. So you guys can see the our profile is created. So you guys can see there you guys have to click for the setting button first. Then you guys can optimize all the things. So there you guys can add your company targeted keyword. So your main targeted keyword. So our main targeted keyword is employment agency in Canada. Then after that you guys can add your location. Then you guys can add your website URL. So if you want to manage your interest, so you guys can do from there. So all the things we have completed. So there is a save changes button. You guys have to click over there. Actually there is some network issue, so you guys have to wait couple of seconds. I think my network problem there is. So 5G, yeah, so setting is updated. Okay, so you guys can see there our website URL is available, and our targeted keyword, and our company is targeted location. So I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So it's a no follow backlink. So you guys can see, but the main thing we are getting backlink from the org website. So you guys can see there is a plus button. You guys want to publish any images, audio, text, so you guys are also able to do. So let me try to publish any article. So I think you guys are able to publish your article on that website also. So copyright. Then after that you guys have to click for the next button, and you guys have to add your tags. Recruitment. Then you guys can add your, then you guys have to click for the release records, and you guys can see this is your article backlink. And I can show you in an incognito tab it's approved or not, instant approved backlink or not. So you guys can see our backlink is instant approved now, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So it's a no follow backlink, but you guys are also able to publish your article on that website, and also you guys are able to publish images and the video and the audio. Okay, so these are the other features on that website. So okay, so we have completed our backlink creation process. So if you want to get your landing page URL, so from there you guys can see, you guys have to click for the profile, then you guys can found your landing page URL. So this is your landing page URL. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me are your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on a comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with a one thing guys, if you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you guys. I hope you guys can understand and you guys can make something helpful from your side. Whatever you want, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, but on the only things I wanted to from you. So okay, yeah, bye bye and take care.